Hello friends, I am Gnaneshwar Narayankar sir from Sri Balaji Madhyamik Vidyalaya and Junior College Ichalkaranji. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Gnaneshwar Narayankar sir. Friends, today we are going to continue the remaining paragraphs of the lesson A Lesson in Life from a Beggar, written by Sudha Murthy in part 2. Okay friends, let's have a glance over the new words. Chronic means extreme or deep rooted. In Marathi, जुनाट किंवा चिरकालीन. Paradise means heaven or an ideal or perfect place. In Marathi, Nandanvan. Jest, great enjoyment or enthusiasm. In Maraठी, परमानंद किंवा अतिशय आनंद. स्पॉन्सर मीन्स प्रोव्हाइड फंड्स फॉर अ गुड पर्पज. एखाद्या चांगल्या हेतूसाठी पैसा पुरविणे किंवा पैसा पुरविणारे. असेट, अ युजफुल अँड व्हॅल्युएबल थिंग, मौल्यवान वस्तू किंवा मालमत्ता. रिअलायझेशन ड्राउन means began to realize, जाणीव होण्यास सुरुवात होणे. Okay friends, let's get started. Finally, I managed to say, no Meena, I can't stay with you tonight. I have to attend a dinner. Give me your card and I will keep in touch with you. I promise. For a moment, Meena looked disappointed. Let's go and have tea at least, she insisted. But Meena, it's pouring. So what? We will buy an umbrella and then go to the Grand Hotel, she said. We won't get a taxi in this rain, I grumbled. So what? We will walk. I was very surprised. This wasn't the same Meena I had known. Today, she seemed ready to make any number of adjustments. Friends, the writer says that she can't stay with Meena that night as she has to attend a dinner. She takes her card and promises to keep in touch with Meena. But Meena looks nervous for a while. She insists to have tea at least. Meena says that she will buy an umbrella to go to the Grand Hotel. The writer grumbles that they will not get a taxi in this rain, but Meena never minds. She says that she will walk. Meena changed positive attitude surprises the writer. Meena is ready to make any number of adjustments. मित्रांनो, लेखिका मीनाला सांगतात की त्यांना एका डिनरला जायचे असल्याने तुझ्याकडे रात्री येऊ शकत नाही. त्या मीनाचे कार्ड घेतात व संपर्काची खात्री देतात. मीना काही वेळ नाराज होते व किमान चहा घेण्याचा आग्रह करते. पाऊस पडत असतो त्यामुळे ती छत्री विकत घेईन असेही म्हणते. लेखिका म्हणतात की टॅक्सी मिळणार नाही. त्यावर मीना म्हणते की आपण चालत जाऊ. हे सर्व ऐकून लेखिकांना खूपच आश्चर्य वाटते, कारण मीना आज कोणतीही तडजोड करायला तयार असते. We reached the Grand Hotel drenched. By then, the only thought in my mind was to find out who or what had brought about such a change in the pessimistic Meena I had known. I was quite curious. Tell me, Meena, is there a Prince Charming who has managed to change you so? Meena was surprised by my question. No, there isn't anyone like that, she said. Then what's the secret of your energy? I asked, like Tendulkar does in the advertisement. She smiled. A beggar changed my life. I was absolutely dumbfounded and she could see it. Friends, at last, they both reached the Grand Hotel drenched. The writer thinks about the change in the pessimistic Meena. The writer is quite curious. The writer asks Meena that is Is there a Prince Charming who has managed to change her? Meena surprises by this question. She says that there is no one like this. The writer again asks Meena about the secret of her energy, like Tendulkar does in the advertisement. Meena smiles and replies that a beggar changed my life. After listening Meena's reply, the writer is absolutely dumbfounded, means confuses. मित्रांनो, शेवटी लेखिका व मीना दोघीही भिजतच ग्रँड हॉटेलला पोहोचतात. मीनामध्ये हा सकारात्मक बदल कसा झाला हे जाणून घेतलेच पाहिजे, हा विचार लेखिकांच्या मनात असतो. लेखिका मीनाला म्हणतात की तुला कोणी प्रिन्स चार्मिंग भेटला की काय, की ज्यामुळे तुझ्यात एवढा मोठा बदल झालेला आहे. या प्रश्नाने मात्र मीनाला आश्चर्य वाटते. शेवटी मीना म्हणते की एका भिकाऱ्याने माझं आयुष्य बदलवून टाकलं. हे ऐकून मात्र लेखिका चक्रावतात. Yes, a beggar, she repeated, as if to reassure me. He was old and used to stay in front of my house with his 5-year-old granddaughter. As you know, I was a chronic pessimist. I used to give my leftovers to this beggar every day. I never spoke to him, nor did he speak to me. One monsoon day, I looked out of my bedroom window and started cursing the rain. I don't know why I did that, because I wasn't even getting wet. That day I couldn't give the beggar and his granddaughter their daily quota of leftovers. They went hungry, I'm sure. However, what I saw from my window surprised me. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was no traffic. They were laughing, clapping and screaming joyously as if they were in paradise. Hunger and rain did not matter. They were totally drenched and totally happy. I envied their zest for life. Friends, Meena repeats that a beggar had changed her life. Meena says that the beggar is old and used to stay in front of her house with his 5-year-old granddaughter. She gives her leftovers to this beggar every day. She never speaks to him, nor the beggar speaks to her. One monsoon day, Meena looks out of her bedroom window and starts cursing the rain. Even she doesn't give her leftover to the beggar and his granddaughter. They both go hungry. However, what she sees from her window surprises her. The beggar and the young girl are playing on the road because there is no traffic. They are clapping, laughing, and screaming joyously as they are in paradise. Hunger doesn't matter. They are totally drenched and totally happy. Meena envies their enjoyment for life. मित्रांनो, मीना पुन्हा पुन्हा सांगते की होय, एका भिकाऱ्यामुळेच हा बदल झालेला आहे. मीना सांगते की एक म्हातारा भिकारी त्याच्या 5 वर्षाच्या नातीसह तिच्या घरासमोर राहायचा. ती तिच्याकडचं शिळपाकं अन्न त्याला देत असे. पावसाळ्यात एक दिवस ती तिच्या बेडरूमच्या खिडकीबाहेर पाहत पावसाला शिव्या देत असते. ती भिजत नसताना सुद्धा ती शिव्या देत असते. त्या दिवशी ती त्या भिकाऱ्याला आणि त्याच्या नातीला रोजचं उरलेलं अन्न देऊ शकत नसते. मात्र ते उपाशी राहतात. मीना म्हणते की खिडकीतून जे पाहते त्यामुळे ती थक्क होते. तो भिकारी व त्याची नात रस्त्यावर रहदारी नसल्यामुळे खेळत असतात, हसत असतात, टाळ्या वाजवत असतात आणि मजेत ओरडत असतात. त्यांना ते जग जणू काही नंदनवनच होते. भूक आणि पाऊस यांचा त्यांच्यावर काहीच फरक पडत नसतो. पोटात अन्न नसताना सुद्धा ते अत्यंत आनंदी असतात. ते पूर्णपणे भिजलेले असतात. त्यांच्या जीवनातला तो उत्साह पाहून मीनाला मात्र मत्सर वाटतो. That scene forced me to look at my own life. I realized I had so many comforts, none of which they had. but they had the most important of all assets, one which I lacked. They knew how to be happy with life as it was. I felt ashamed of myself. I even started to make a list of what I had and what I did not have. I found I had more to be grateful for than most people could imagine. That day, I decided to change my attitude towards life using the beggar as my role model. After a long pause, I asked Meena how long it had taken her to change. Friends, that scene forces Meena to look at her own life. She realizes she has so many comforts, none of which they had, but they have the most important of all assets, which she lacks. They know how to be happy with life as it is. Meena feels ashamed of herself. She starts to make a list of what she has and what she hasn't. She finds that she has more enough rather than the others. On this day, she decides to change her attitude towards life using the beggar as her role model. The writer asks Meena how long it has taken her to change. मित्रांनो, मीना म्हणते की ते दृश्य तिला स्वतःच्या आयुष्याकडे वळून पाहण्यास भाग पाडते. मीनाला जाणीव होते की तिच्याकडे ज्या ज्या सुखसोयी आहेत त्यापैकी एकही सुखसोयी त्यांच्याकडे नसतात. मात्र त्या वृद्ध भिकाऱ्याकडे जी मौलिक गोष्ट आहे ती मात्र मीनाकडे नसते. आयुष्य जसं आहे त्यात आनंदी कसं राहायचं हे त्यांना माहीत असतं. याची मीनाला लाज वाटते. तिच्याकडे काय आहे व काय नाही याची ती यादी बनवते. लोक विचारही करू शकणार नाहीत अशा कितीतरी गोष्टी मीनाकडे असतात. मीना म्हणते त्या दिवशी त्या भिकाऱ्याला ती तिचा आदर्श मानते आणि आयुष्याकडे बघण्याचा दृष्टिकोन पूर्णपणे बदलायचं ठरवते. Once this realization dawned, she said, "It took me almost 2 years to put the change into effect. Now nothing matters. I am always happy. I find happiness in every small thing, in every situation, and in every person." Did you give any Guru Dakshina to your Guru? I asked. No, unfortunately, by the time I understood things, he was dead. But I sponsored his granddaughter to a boarding school as a mark of respect to him. Friends, Meena says that it takes her almost 2 years to put the change into effect. Meena says that she is always happy. She finds happiness in every small thing, in every situation, and in every person. The writer asks about the Guru Dakshina. Meena says that by the time she understands things, he is dead, unfortunately. But she sponsors his granddaughter to a boarding school as a mark of respect to him. मित्रांनो, लेखिका मीनाला विचारतात की स्वतःमध्ये बदल घडवून आणायला तिला किती वेळ लागला. मीना म्हणते की त्या जाणीवेची अनुभूती झाल्यानंतर ती प्रत्यक्षात उतरवण्यासाठी तिला जवळपास 2 वर्षे लागतात. ती आता कायम आनंदी असते. प्रत्येक छोट्या गोष्टीत, प्रत्येक घटनेत आणि प्रत्येक व्यक्तीमध्ये तिला आनंद दिसतो. लेखिका गुरुदक्षिणेविषयी विचारतात तेव्हा मीना म्हणते की दुर्दैवाने ती देऊ शकत नसते. ती म्हणते की तिला या सर्व गोष्टींची जाणीव होईपर्यंत तो मरण पावलेला असतो. पण त्याच्या नातीच्या बोर्डिंग स्कूलची जबाबदारी उचलून ती त्याला आदरांजली वाहते. ओके फ्रेंड्स, we have studied the most important lesson, that is a lesson in life from a beggar, written by Sudha Murthy. Friends, we can also learn lots of things from this lesson. This lesson is the best example about how we should lead our life. It also teaches us that We should not wait for the happy moments. We have to make each and every moment happy, to live happily. मित्रांनो, आनंदी क्षणांचे वाट पाहत बसण्यापेक्षा जे क्षण आहेत, जे क्षण आपल्या वाट्याला आलेले आहेत, त्यांना आपण आनंदी बनवायचं शिकलं पाहिजे. मला आशा आहे की हा धडा आपणास अत्यंत चांगल्या प्रकारे कळलेला आहे. थँक यू व्हेरी मच. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. सी यू सून.